Sustainability, as we know, is a massive buzzword out there. But what does that mean to manufacturing and SMEs in the industry? We have to improve the way we're doing things. We have to reduce the carbon footprint to get to our carbon net zero targets. But how do we realistically do that? And of course, we've got to do that by still continuing to grow and keep the innovation going in the industry. We've got to ensure that we get people, young people and all people in to get their innovation and to keep the balance of the three areas going. We know how difficult it is for SMEs to achieve all this while continuing to keep the manufacturing growing, keeping people employed, keeping the innovation going and the investment going. So what we've built is a new platform that will help you to gain some of your sustainability goals. And we'll have plenty of resources on the site from other end users and case studies. There'll be our technical partners with their sustainability tips and industrial experts. So please come and take a look and have a look on the link and come and join the community.